It's my birthday. Oh, the sun's over here.
I don't know about you, but she's feeling
22. I don't know where we're going. My mom won't tell me where I'm going. She don't know, because she probably would have told me. But my mom told me to dress. She told me to dress something I could move in, so you know. I did.
She did.
We're waiting outside. I don't know what we're waiting outside for. Here, you hold it.
Oh, this ain't my vlog. It's gonna say, this ain't my vlog. She looks like a lemon.
What?
I look like a lemon. No, I look like
Right. I look like it's your loss. Y'all, I'm so impatient. You see me over here pacing? Can I go?
Why am I holding your
Let's go.
phone is the question. This
Because
is
it's so much easier when you hold it.
One day later.
Yo, she not allowed to be in my vlogs no more.
Hello.
Good, how are you? I'm sorry.
We're gonna go in here.
Happy birthday! Oh, okay. Happy birthday, friend!
Let's head in. Let's head in.
Where's that in?
That is. Thank you.
Ice cream cone.
How you feeling so far?
Surprised.
Kitchen cray.
Wait, but when did you all birthday?
Just now.
Yeah.
Because he came in and I was like, did she see you? And he was like, I don't know how, but
It was
he
a
did it.
freaking miracle. He's the real MVP, bro.
Wait, we were standing outside and you walked
Standing
in past us.
No, and the killer.
I gotta go look at this footage because
The parking lot, like, oh my gosh. But you know, I live 10 minutes away.
from here.
It's not even 10 minutes, it's like 7 minutes.
Blah, blah.
You know what I'm saying?
Blah, blah.
Showing that.
Look at that. Kitchen cray right there.
I know. Kitchen cray. Like the best place in DC.
Ooh, that looks good. You forgot to ask for the mumbo sauce though.
Oh yeah.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Turn the other way. Turn the other way. Turn the other way.
You told me you was gonna make some chocolate.
There you go. Look at the food. Tell me, look at the food now.
Right, exactly. I said I made chocolate.
Wow.
Happy birthday, friend.
Happy birthday to my sister for life. You know you know I'm riding for you till the wheels fall off. This year is going to be amazing. Love, T.
Birthday.
So remember, wherever you are, you always have my love, always have my support, and I will catch a flight if someone wants to fight. Period.
Period. And that's that on that.
You guys want strawberry? Go over there.
You.
Happy birthday, dear Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all.
What kind of cake is that?
Hollywood Sweet Tooth. It's a white chocolate Kit Kat cake.
But it's a black business.
And it's cheesecake in the middle.
I just passed out. Right.
Hold up. Can I make a wish?
No. I told you what the it is. It is, Aria.
Oh, hell no. No, we're not flying. We're gonna fly those, huh? Nope. Y'all think I'm gonna fly a plane?
Y'all think I'm funny?
I signed up to be a flight attendant. I signed up to fly a plane.
Your destination.
Oh no.
Oh, hell no.
I didn't want to scare the lady.
And we're walking and we're walking.
We finna be flying.
We're gonna be out this hole.
We finna be up there. We're in finale. So is this like a free for all? I could just pick my plane and go?
Yeah. It's like when they give you jet skis, they just show you how you do it and then be like, go that far, but just don't cross that line. So
Alright,
you just
bet.
fly up, but don't go past that cloud.
I mean, look, these planes fly themselves nowadays. It's 2019.
Why would I give you my
Hey, look. Student driver.
So tell me about yourself. What brought you here?
It's her birthday.
Today?
Yeah.
Wow, happy birthday.
Thanks.
So you're the photographer?
kind of sort of?
You have your camera? Meeting me on first? Do you have your camera?
This is EASY on it.
I know the best.
It does. It literally says ASA.
Oh, look at me.
That's why.
So this is the parking area. Here we have the Cessnas. Here we have the Pipers. We have a Piper today. It's pretty much the same airplane, besides the wings.
Oh, snap. It's ACA. Oh, he's gonna swing. He was scared before. He got lonely, that's why. Here go the grass. You have to climb on the wing.
No, this is wild. I thought we had to pull the seat up. You know. So this moves with.
The other round.
So as it goes like up and down.
Right.
Oh
This
snap!
is what makes the airplane turn on the air.
That's so
Yeah, it's
cool.
called ailerons.
Alright, I'm recording. Step on this.
Let me make it easier.
Oh.
Hey, chill.
He said, hey, chill, you know.
Oh my god.
We in here. It's pretty tight. Okay, here we go. She about to do.
Yeah, I need a seatbelt ASAP. You feel me? Like,
All that's gonna do is strap you in if we go down. What's that you got in your hand? Right here go the headset, right here.
Okay,
So,
connect your headsets.
I'm really in a plane like this on a hoop.
no.
Okay.
That was a little violent. Driving the boat? I'm trying to fly the plane. Trying to fly the plane. Driving the boat.
not smart before doing it.
What?
Look, I didn't sign up for this. I didn't sign up to throw up. Shouldn't have ate all that lobster mac before this. But it's all good. I took one for the team.
So we have to push the plane. I don't think I want to push it. Y'all got it. Oh. Yeah. This is how you park a plane. Where are you trying to go?
Where you trying
Who's trying to get flew out? Who's trying to get flew out?
You can fly.
What's up?
We don't drive the boat no more.
Alright, bruh. So we just flew
They just flew.
a plane. Right. He didn't really.
I just
He was in the plane though. That's
wasn't
something.
In there.
I was there.
Something.
Moral
But
support.
This
You
one
know what
gonna
I'm
throw up.
I threw up, yeah. I mean, I threw up in the little bag they give us that had the headphones in it. The headphones weren't in it. So I threw up in it.
Ew.
All
It
that.
smelled like
Bro, shout out
second
to
degree lobster mac. The whole plane.
We're good.
But we got
shout
it.
out to Sun, our flight instructor.
Yeah.
Shout out to her.
She was ready when Sierra said she had to throw up. She
said-
was like, "Here's the bag." She was ready.
She was solid the whole time.
She was
Solid
like,
the
"You
whole
good? You
time.
good?" I was
Solid.
laying back. My head was back. She was like, "Is she good? She didn't pass out, did she?" Narcos.
Oh.
Narcos.
Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.